How to turn Outlook emails into calendar events. So here I am in the Outlook welcome page, and then from here, let me go ahead and sign in to my account first. So I can go ahead and just click sign in right here, and then I'll be redirected to the sign in page. Since my account is already saved in my browser, I can just click on it. So if you're not logged in yet, you can just go ahead and enter your email and password. So from here, for example, I have an email right here that says, let's have a dinner on Friday. And then from here, what you can do is that you can turn this email into a calendar event. So what you need to do is that you just need to click on this one, the My Day application right here at the top right. Then you can go ahead and go to the calendar. From here, what you can do is that you can simply click the email and then drag it right here to your right sidebar. So as you can see, when I drag this email, there is two options right here. So either you can add it as a task or you can add it as a calendar event. So you can just click on it, and then from here, now this window should open. Then you can go ahead and modify like the calendar event right here, and then you will see the content of the email right here. Then you can go ahead and specify the details. So for example, you can specify the location right here if you have like a physical restaurant or maybe some physical location right here. And then for the time, you can go ahead and specify the time right here. So let's say the dinner will be at around, let's say this is 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 p.m. and then let's say up to 8 p.m., which is 18 to 20 hours. Then you can go ahead and edit the details right here if you want. And then you can also add all of your email addresses right here of the people that you are coming with. So for example, let's say, let's add my other email right here as a recipient. And then I can go ahead and make this into a calendar event. So let's say I have my reply right here. And then I can go ahead and send this email as a calendar event. So I can click send. Now, as you can see, when I go to the calendar, now you can see that the email has been converted into a calendar event. And then when I go to the send items, we can now see also the reply that we have put right here. Then you can also see the calendar event right here. And then I can also go to the calendar page or the calendar tab. And then we should now see that in our calendar right here. So let me see again, what day did I put it? So it is Sunday, April 26, 2026. So I can just go to the week right here. And then we can see the calendar event right here. So if you want to move it, you can just go ahead and change the date right here. Since the email says Friday, we can just move it to Friday. Then we can go ahead and click send again. Then now this should be updated, and then now you can see that it is on Friday right here. And then that is it. So that is what we can do to turn an Outlook email into a calendar event. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.